बड़े पर्दे पे अपने आप को देख के इतना खूबसूरत देख के कैसा लगता है अदिति जी?
I have nothing to do with the way that I look, right?
Right.
It's genetic. Working with Sanjay sir was literally a childhood dream of mine. When I'm working on something, I'm not thinking of what anybody is going to, what kind of reaction anybody is going to have to it. Standing up to those challenges and taking them and trying to, take in his direction and layer by layer by layer, give him whatever he was expecting of me. I just knew it was a special part, it was a special appearance, and it was important. Hey, this is Aditi Rao Hydari and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
We have with us beautiful Aditi Rao Hydari. She has been getting superb accolades for her performance in Padmavat. Pleasure having you back, first of all, on Bollywood Hangama, Aditi.
Always happy to talk to you, Vaidhan.
All right, and as I was telling you that there are so many people who were saying that she has looked really pretty and she has actually looked royal in the film, and you have a royal blood anyway, so I think that flows naturally too. So happy with the compliments finally?
Very, very, very. And actually overwhelmed because it was much more than I expected.
Right.
I think, like when I'm working on something, I'm not thinking of what anybody is what kind of reaction anybody is going to have to it. At that point, it doesn't, I don't know why, it doesn't occur to me. I'm very much in the present moment and I enjoy myself so much, and working with Sanjay sir was literally a childhood dream of mine. So when I was doing it, I was literally there savoring every second of being on set, being directed by him, and he keeps throwing challenges at you. So just, standing up to those challenges and taking them and trying to, take in his direction and layer by layer by layer, give him whatever he was expecting of me. And then when it released and I got this kind of response, it was so humbling and so overwhelming that, I can't even describe it to you, because really I didn't even think about it like that. And
right.
I just knew it was a special part, it was a special appearance, and it was important, and it was special to the whole narrative. But this special is really amazing.
Okay, बड़े पर्दे पे अपने आप को देख के इतना खूबसूरत देख के कैसा लगता है अदिति जी? Because when you wear those dresses and you have that jewelry and the entire paraphernalia, when you're being shot by Sanjay Leela Bhansali and that big canvas, I'm sure that you've never experienced it before. तो अपने आप से और मोहब्बत करने में दिल चाहता है कि हाँ भाई deserve करती हूँ मैं.
Okay, so here's the thing. I have nothing to do with the way that I look, right?
Right.
It's genetic. So I can't take any credit for it. But what I will say is that you can't look less than amazing in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film. Shrudeep Dada is the DOP. The costumes are so beautiful. The jewelry is so stunning. Rimple Harpreet, like everybody who works on films like these literally puts their sweat and blood into it. So I will say that the way that I look actually has very little to do with me. It's to do with that team that makes me look like that.
Right.
Some genes are there, and I thank my mother and grandmother every day for those genes. But it's obviously the first day that I got ready and all that. So when we did the look test and all, and then I got ready, I remember कि उनका एक idea था कि कोल लगेगा आँखों में, एक होता है ना कि अफगान or whatever, so अभी कोल लगाओ. So I said ठीक है. I said एक बार कोल के बिना भी try कर लो. नहीं कोल. So I said ठीक है. So we did that. One of the scenes, if you see, will be with Cole, and then Sanjay sir saw me on set when I'd come for rehearsal, and I obviously didn't have any makeup on, and I was just in my track pants and my hair was tied up, and he said, have you put any makeup? I said no. He said, do you mind looking like this? Will you? I really like this look. Will you be okay with this? I want to try this. I said, yeah, 100%. So which is why in most of this thing you'll see that there's no coal, etc.
Yeah.
So when I used to get ready with all that jewelry and all, you actually feel the part. You feel regal, and there was so much detailing that went into it, just in terms of that glow that comes on the face. It comes with that character, the lights, the jewelry, it just comes with that. So
ठीक है, तो मैंने आपकी बहुत आपकी modesty की मैंने बातें बहुत सारी सुनी. You know what happens is the fact is that any person may be amazingly beautiful, but the fact is that if you don't have character within, if you don't have that personality within, it won't reflect in the face. Okay, so I can give you like multiple reasons why you bring a lot of I think gravitas to the table. There's so many scenes like when the wedding scene takes place, or maybe the first scene takes place. You are there in that that khidki, the way you're looking at him, and the entire Sharmana and that sense of elation because he's like a really macho guy, and the wedding night. And what really happens thereafter in terms of when you just get to know that he's like a really जुनूनियत इस आदमी के अंदर भरी हुई है. So that expression when it comes to on your face when you realize that your father has been killed by the man whom you love, and that sense of becoming broken and then still holding yourself against him when he comes and meets you with his entire Taj and the way he just puts it onto you, you're still not afraid. So there are several scenes where you bring a lot of character to the table. So you cannot deny that everything was done by.
I like this interview, Faridun. Basically, you're saying nice things about me, and I'm being modest. This is
no, but I'm giving you.
How I like
लेकिन मैं आपको सबूत के साथ में आपकी मैं तारीफ कर रहा हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बगैर सबूत के तारीफ कर रहा हूँ.
Thank you so much. No, but it's true.
मैंने 3 बार देखी, मैंने आपको बताया था, मैंने हर बहुत ही बारीकी से देखी हुई चीजें.
But Audrey Hepburn, she says ना कि you can put as much makeup as you want, but that can't make you beautiful. If you're ugly on the inside, no makeup can help you. You can't eat makeup.
Right. You tweeted that recently.
Yeah. Did I tweet it?
You did.
Yeah. On some Insta post or something. But I do believe that. I believe that you have to. It's only when you truly shine from the inside can you actually like.
Yeah, obviously.
And some people are good actors off camera. I'm not. So. And I feel like for a part like Mehru, who's so pure, मतलब वो एकदम पाक, pure-hearted, selfless, full of love, and regal, grace. She's grace personified. Of course, it makes a huge difference how it's written because that really helps. She's quiet a lot of the time. It's mostly the expression. But the way that it's written, every line of hers says so much about who she is. So I really feel that girl is written amazingly. And Sanjay sir also layered it. You know, she could have easily been just a delicate, sehmi-hui princess.
Like a doormat, but she's not.
But she's
not. She holds her dignity consistently.
That she may be as fragile as, you know, as you look or whatever. But when you look at Khilji, you have to look straight in his eyes. You are the daughter of Jalaluddin. You are afraid of nothing and nobody. And for you, that community is yours. And there, unka badawa is that is in your heart, ki that community should grow and be, you know, so that she is a princess. So she said, never leave that. And I thought that layering really helped me be the person that Mehru is, keeping that purity. So yeah, if you feel like a particular girl, you will look like that girl. Is what I feel. So. Okay. Again, see, I'm saying it's really the team that makes it happen.
Yeah, but see, the fact is that you have this interest in classical music. Yeah, you like to sing yourself, and so you know all these things contribute as well in terms of just making a personality. So those expressions जो हैं वो ऐसे ही कहीं से आ नहीं जाते हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं महसूस करके आप उसको absorb करके आप उसको लेकर आप आई हैं.
Yeah, maybe.
All right, and the modesty continues. Okay, so.
No, I'm saying maybe because I'm not conscious of it. It's too much. It's been too much a part of my growing up. Like suppose the family that I come from, or music or dance or whatever it is, it's like literally in my blood. I've grown up with it. तो मुझे पता नहीं कैसे मुझे वो छूता है या नहीं. I just know how it makes me feel, but I don't know how it adds to my work. It does, of course it does, but I just don't know how.
Yeah, जैसे क्लासिकल म्यूजिक में भी एक अभिनय जो एक होता है, जो डांस में अभिनय का एक फील होता है, वो तब तक वो नहीं I think appeal करेगा till the time it is felt from within.
That's true.
So that's something which I think you're bringing to the table as far as Padmavat is concerned.
Hey, this is Aditi Rao Hydari and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.